Okay, so here's the front and the entry. And then here is the street. It's on. Okay, and here's the entry. So here's the floors. And then the windows, front. So this feels like laminate wood floor. So stairs. Here's like living and dining. Here's the kitchen. This one does not have a fridge. Need to get one. Sorry. Let's try that again. Okay. Here's the kitchen. Gas stove. And this is like a breakfast area right here. Most people use this for. So light switch. And here's a half bath downstairs. Do that. It's all right off the kitchen here. And then this is going to be the laundry right here. So it's electric dryer. I'll show you right here. It has a little shelf here. Okay. And here's the kitchen. And then it's got a huge backyard out here. Oops. Okay, I'm going to have trouble with that. I might do that from outside, but anyway, you can kind of see. There, that's better. Hopefully you can kind of see the big backyard. Okay. This is your pantry. Right here. So it's got some shelves in there. Okay. And behind that, this is your garage access. Here. So you've got one car garage here, and then like a little, it's like a workshop or something in here. Don't see a light in here, but there may be one. There are some shelves over here for storage. You want there? And then some storage here, it looks like. A little bit of storage there as well, under the stairs from inside. There you go. Okay. Back to the kitchen. And some living room. And there are some pot shelves up here. Like. Okay, so here's the stairs. It's a nice sconce up there. Like a little loft up at the top of the stairs here. And this is the master, I believe. Here's the master bathroom. And the master closet's right here. I don't know if you can see. There you go. Here you go. Linen. Is it here? Double vanity. And then a garden tub. And a separate shower. And the commode there. You might want to clean this a little bit before you move in. The same up here. We can put that in the lease. I think they'll do it, hopefully. Okay, so there's that. And there are, I believe, 2 other bedrooms upstairs. This is a little nice area for your dresser or TV or something if you want over there. There you go, it's a better view. Okay, so walking back out to the loft. And here's a higher view of the yard, if you can see it. Okay. It's got these newer style AC controls up here. Here's the hall bath. Oh, sorry, you couldn't see anything, could you? There you go. Okay. Here's one of the bedrooms. Right here. Oops, again, sorry if you can't see. All right. Okay, so here's the closet. Here. So, all right. Here's the next bedroom. And then attic access is in here. And here's the closet. We've got 2 shelves in here. This one, and here's the attic access. So this is the one that we submitted an application for. So send me a note after you guys get this and see if you guys are still okay with this house. Okay.